Let's learn how this animation is done. This is the second part. If you want to know how Pepsi was modeled, watch the first part. It will appear at the top of the video. And if you want to know just the animation, this video is for you. First, we have to know that this simulation is based on one model for you to interact with. To be lighter and faster on the computer, we will encapsulate our Pepsi in another model using a geometry node, and the simulation will be on it. Focus well and you will find it very easy. Now it's time to simulate water, which consists of the domain, which will be a cube, the effect, which will be our model, and the flow, which will be a plane, which will be water. Each of these main factors has some adjustments, so pay close attention to them. Do not forget to add a force to collect and attract water away from the model, and it also has some modifications. We will add keyframes and modify them so that the animation is appropriate, as it is fast at first, and when water hits the model, its speed slows down. have reached the point of clicking on bake and you can see the result. I hope the video is useful to you. Goodbye.